Hi, today I'm going to make this very pretty and easy to make bandarwal. Lovely for Diwali and any festival. Materials I'm using are, this is a golden gota, some big size pearls, small size pearls. These are these caps, golden caps, and red colored paper, very thin paper. And this is needle and thread. So first take the red paper or any other color paper that you wish, and I made this stencil, this kind of a shape. I'll just trace it out. And cut it out. So now I'll just fold this shape about half an inch wide and just keep folding it. Then open it up. Before opening, just fold it again. So you have this. Zigzag line. So now just fold according to that. The lines are already there for you to know where to fold. You don't have to measure or anything. Now just keeping this part out, just fold it in half. Like so. Now I'll just apply glue on the inner side of this flap. And stick it on the opposite side. So when you open it, it becomes like this, like a palm leaf fan. So I have made 3 of these. Now I'm going to take this golden gota and needle and thread. Tie a knot on it. Take this, just fold it twice at the end. Now take these big beads and just put each of them through this. So you may have to pull a bit, so that's okay. Like so. So I'll put all these beads and more on this string. Now this string should be actually the width of your doorway. So I put all these beads on the string. Now I'll just tie a knot at the ends so that they don't slide off. You may have to tie 2-3 knots to make it big enough. like this, so it won't go off. In the same way, I have put the smaller beads with the golden the flower shape in between at equal intervals. So these I made 3 of these, and these 3 are slightly smaller. Sorry. So if these had 50 beads, these have 40 beads. So this depends on how long you want the loop to be. So I'll just tie these. Take the bigger one first and tie it to the end of the beads here. So you tie a double knot here, which I'll just do presently. Take the other end. Now since if I divide this big bead string, so I have 16 beads. And I'll tie it here after the 16th bead. And I'll tie a knot here. So I have put all these strings on the bigger one like this, and I have put the smaller one also, leaving one bead away from the ones where I tied the other one. So you have 2 scallops like this. Now take the needle and thread, and I'll just take one of these that I've made, just pierce it through. I'm going to hang it here. Just tie it here like this. And this is how it's going to look after it's finished. A very pretty and very easy to make bandarwal.